Hey everybody, and welcome to another Saturday Scribbles video. This video is focusing on heart zentangle patterns, and the first one, aptly named Hearty. And it's just hearts stacked on top of one another. They can be any size or shape. Well, I guess they'll be heart-shaped, but they can be any size. And they can be stout like this kind, or they can be skinny, however you want them. And as always, these patterns are coming from tanglepatterns.com, and the link will be in the description box below. This next pattern I believe I've done before, but I may be mistaken. And it is called heart chains, I believe. And you can keep the hearts blank or you can fill them in. You could do multicolor, which would be fun. I think this would be good for bullet journaling personally. And then you just kind of do an aura around them, or an outline, if you will. And you could even have these segmented where you do like a link of them and then blank space and then a link of them. This next pattern is really fun, I think. It kind of looks like ribbons, like if you took ribbons and twisted them into a heart shape. And so you have a skinny inside and then like chunkier outline on the edges, and then in the little loop-de-loop at the bottom you just indicate that it is a loop. And you can fill the inside with lines, or you can leave it as it is. You can fill in the outside with lines or color it in, whatever suits your fancy, as always. And it is called Heartgram. This next pattern is a little trickier. I practiced it a few times, but I don't think I have it quite right just yet. But it was relaxing to do, and as always with these zentangle patterns, the main goal is to find some relaxation in these crazy times. And so it accomplished the goal, but definitely check out the official pattern on Tangle Patterns, because I think I strayed pretty far from what it should have been. For example, I think the sides of the heart are supposed to go up to the sides of the roundish ovally shape, whatever you would call that. But you can color in around the heart, or you can color the hearts themselves. As always, multicolor, whatever works for you. I just did a little doodle here and there. And this one is called Heart to Heart. This one is also tricky. If you are a perfectionist and you want it to look perfect, then definitely go slower. Don't try to draw it while also holding a camera. Mine turned out a little wonky because of that. They were all a little different looking, but that's okay. And these are the finished product. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.